Hi everybody and welcome to Crafting Chaos. My name is Bobby and I welcome you to my channel, and this is actually my very first video. Just to let you know, I do not know what this diamond painting is. My daughter, bless her heart, she actually unwrapped everything so there wouldn't be a lot of noise, because my camera picks up every little noise detail and makes it 10 times louder than what it is. I'm really excited to see which diamond painting she picked out for my first video. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, that is gorgeous. This is a 40 by 50. It comes with 25 colors and it was ordered on Amazon. You will notice that I do a lot of Amazon fan sales, everyday e-deals, and places like that because I really love the quality of their paintings. I unfortunately lost my job due to COVID, so I can't really afford the bigger company. So it's a good way for me to enjoy my hobby and save a little money. Let's go ahead and get started. It is poured glue and very sticky. It, though, is mostly numbers and letters in the legend, so that'll be very easy to read. Let me go ahead and bring this up so you can see it. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this back one more time and zoom you in so you can see the drill field and look at how clear it really is. Look at that. That is so clear. I mean, I'm not going to have any problem reading that at all. Look at that. Very nice. I love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get started on it. This is a square. I do both square and rounds. And let's go ahead and look at the diamonds. According to my daughter, she did not put the kit in here, the toolkit, because it was just a normal, regular toolkit that you see in every painting. It was just a boat, a piece of wax, and a little pink diamond pen. I will definitely put the links in the description box below to the painting and the company. Oh, those are very nice drills. Look at that. They are nice. Wow. I don't see a whole lot of trash. Very nice cut. Oh, isn't that a pretty color? I love that. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh, look at that. This is going to be beautiful. I love when the drills are like really good quality and you don't see like a whole lot of trash, because you know you're going to have a good experience. This company says that they have 30% more drills, so if you lose a couple, you're not going to be hurting too much. I hope that is true. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not, so it'll be interesting. It looks like they have quite a few extras, so I guess we will see. Oh, I love that color. Very beautiful. Ooh, okay, we have one little small train to go through. Oops, I'm sorry, didn't mean to kick my camera there. I have not even seen a hitchhiker in these drills, which is highly unusual. Oh, I love that. Look at how pretty that is. Look at how nice those drills are. Look at that. They are beautiful. Love it. Wow. Very pretty. This is going to be beautiful when it is finished. I can't wait to show you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is my very first painting for the channel, and I just want to let you know I'll be doing one painting at a time because I don't really have a lot of money to buy a huge lots. So that way you can just watch it when you just want to watch something really small and quick and just see some new diamond paintings. Anyway, thank you. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and leave a comment below. And I will see you next time. Bye.